celestial journey to explore the wonders of the night sky. Let's discover 4 captivating constellations. Our first constellation is Orion. Orion. Orion is one of the most recognizable constellations, depicting a mighty hunter. Look for Orion's belt, 3 bright stars in a row. It's as bold as a fearless adventurer. Next up is Ursa Major. Ursa Major, Ursa Major, also known as the Great Bear, features the iconic Big Dipper. Follow the handle to find the North Star. It's as steadfast as a guiding light.